Mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool for mental well-being. It helps you stay present and focused. Let's explore what mindfulness is and its benefits. Mindfulness means paying full attention to the present moment. It involves observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This practice helps you become more aware of your surroundings and inner self. This reduces stress and anxiety. It improves focus and concentration. Regular practice can enhance emotional regulation. It also promotes overall mental and physical health. Mindfulness can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Let's try a brief mindfulness exercise. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Continue this for a few moments. Open your